current credit card functions like a traditional credit card, but is specifically designed for younger individuals, usually teenagers or young adults, who may not have established credit histories or who are looking for a more simplified banking experience. Here's how it works. Account setup. To get started, users apply for a current credit card through the associated mobile app. Approval is often based on factors like age, income, and identity verification rather than credit history. Spending and payments. Once approved, users can make purchases using the current credit card, both online and in-store, just like a regular credit card. They can also link their card to digital wallets for added convenience. Users are responsible for making payments on their card balance, either in full or with minimum payments on a regular basis. Budgeting tools. Many current credit cards come with built-in budgeting features and spending tracking tools within the app. This helps users manage their money more effectively and understand their spending habits. Parental controls. Parents or guardians often have oversight of the account and can set spending limits, monitor transactions, and receive alerts for their child's spending activity. This feature provides peace of mind and helps teach responsible financial habits. No overdraft fees. Unlike traditional checking accounts, current credit cards typically do not allow overdrafts, which means users can't spend more money than they have available.